Good morning, Miss. Our group is Group 7. So today, PW and I will presenting about the computer architecture assignment. So our table of content include with program execution expression, postfix notation, and stack diagram. So the first question is program execution expression. So now I will pass this question to QPA.
Good morning, Miss. This is our question, which is x equal bracket a divide b plus bracket d multiple c minus b bracket and close the bracket minus the second equation, which is d divide b plus a minus c and close bracket. And we go to postfix notation. The step one is we move the d divide to the c behind c, and the step 2 is remove the subtraction b to the behind b, and the step 3 is remove the a divide b move to behind b, and the step 4 is remove the addition d to the b minus behind, and the step 5 we can see the first equation is done, and now we look to the second equation. The second equation is d divide b. We move the divide to the behind b. And the step 6 is the addition a. We move to the behind a. And the step 7 is the subtraction c. We move the minus to the behind c. And the step 8 we can see the second equation was done. Now we move the subtraction second equation to the behind second equation, so we can get the answer, which is x equal ab divide dc multiple b minus plus db divide a plus c minus minus. So the step diagram, I will pass my mic to Javier.
Okay, Miss. So now I will be beginning for my part, which is stack diagram. So as you can see, just now PA done the postfix notation, which is x equal to AB divide DC multiply B minus add DB divide A plus C minus minus. So as you can see, the first step, we need to include the AB divide inside the diagram. So which is A, B, and divide. So the second step, which is D, C, and multiply. So at here, we A divide by B and add in D, C, and multiply. So the next step, we need to include the B minus. So the remaining is A divided by B and D times C. So we just add in the B and minus inside the stack diagram. So the next step, which is add. So we need to add the add inside here. So now we need to remain the A divided by B. So this is D times C minus B. So right now we just add in the add here. So the next step, now we're gonna have to move in the D, B, and divide. So at here, we just remain the A divided by B plus D times C minus B from the previous. So at here, we just add in D, B, and divide. So the next step, we need to include A and plus. So at here, we have A divided by B plus D times C minus B. So the D divided by B is the previous one. So now we just add in A and add here. So the next step, we need to include the C minus inside here. So the remaining, we just remain. So right now we just add in the C and minus add here. So the last step, we need to include this minus at here. So we just remain A divided by B plus D times C minus B and D divided by B plus A minus C, and we just add in the minus at here. So I think all of the equation it's appear at this diagram. So this is the last step. So right now, this is the full step diagram, the answer. We have total have 9 steps. So this is the answer for the stack diagram for the postfix notation. So I think that's all for our presentation. So thank you, Miss.